Have you ever opened your eyes in the morning and already felt tired? Not because your body is weak, but because your mind feels heavy. You wake up, check your phone, scroll a little, and suddenly your energy disappears. Then you ask yourself, why am I always tired? Why can't I focus? Why does success feel so far away? But listen carefully. You are not lazy, you are not broken, and you are not stuck. Your real problem is simple. Your morning habits are controlling your life. Because the way you start your morning quietly decides the direction of your future. Today I want to share 5 simple morning habits that can slowly change your life. Not in one day, but day by day. Imagine 2 different mornings. In the first morning, a person wakes up, checks their phone immediately, scrolls through social media, lies in bed for another 20 minutes. Their mind becomes full of noise, notifications, messages, random videos. Before the day even begins, their focus is already gone. Now imagine another morning. The alarm rings. The person wakes up, stands up, and begins the day with intention, small actions, but powerful ones. Let's talk about them. Habit 1. Wake up at the same time. You don't need to wake up at 4 a.m. like many people say, but you should wake up at the same time every day. This creates discipline. When your wake-up time becomes stable, your mind becomes stable too. You are not just training your alarm clock, you are training your brain. And slowly your mind learns something powerful. I am in control. A stable morning creates a stable life. Habit 2. No phone in the first hour. This is where most people lose their day. The moment they wake up, they grab their phone. Messages, reels, notifications. And suddenly their mind is no longer calm. It becomes scattered. Instead, try something different. For the first hour, make your bed. Drink a glass of water. Step outside into sunlight. Simple actions. But they tell your brain something important. This day belongs to me. The person who protects the first hour of the day protects their future. Habit 3. Move your body. Many people wake up and immediately sit. They sit while scrolling, they sit while thinking, they sit while feeling tired. But the body was not designed to stay still. Movement wakes up the system. It could be 10 push-ups, a short walk, a 5-minute stretch. It doesn't have to be perfect. The moment your body moves, your energy rises. Your brain receives more oxygen, your mood improves. Movement creates momentum, and momentum creates motivation. Habit 4. Eat real energy. Look at what most people eat for breakfast. Sugar, sweet snacks, junk food. For a moment, they feel energetic. But after a few hours, their energy crashes. Instead, give your body something better. Protein, eggs, Greek yogurt, a protein shake. Protein keeps your energy stable. It helps your brain stay sharp. Your body is like a machine. If you give it the right fuel, it will perform better. Habit 5. Do the hardest task first. Most people avoid difficult work in the morning. They answer messages, they check emails, they do easy tasks. It feels productive, but it's actually avoidance. Your willpower is strongest in the morning. Think of it like a battery. Every distraction slowly drains it. So instead of delaying the important work, start with it. Do the task that scares you. Do the task you keep postponing. Because the moment you finish that task, the rest of the day becomes lighter. This is how real progress is made. These habits may look small. Waking up on time, avoiding your phone, moving your body, eating better, doing hard work first. But together they build something powerful, discipline. And discipline quietly builds your future, not in one big moment, but morning after morning, choice after choice. You don't need motivation every day. You need systems. Because systems create results. Remember this simple truth. Your life doesn't suddenly change one day. It changes in the quiet mornings when no one is watching. Protect your mornings, train your mind, and slowly your future will begin to change. If you are ready to take control of your mornings, type "I'm ready" in the comments. And subscribe to Lookway with me, where we learn English through powerful life stories. Until the next story, stay focused, stay patient, and keep moving forward.